Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I got three great dividend companies that if you are new to investing and you want to start your dividend portfolio, these are three great dividend companies to start with. That way you can create a dividend portfolio that can pay you dividends every month. So, as always, please remember this is not a financial advice. This is just me just sharing the companies that I look at, the companies that I personally invest on. So, if you are new to the channel, just wanted to say welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to know about which companies you want to invest on, whether it's dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button. You also want to make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. With that said, let's take a look at these three companies. First one on the list is Microsoft. Ticker symbol is MSFT. For those of you that are not sure what Microsoft is, it engages in development and support in software, service, and devices. So, if you look down to their website, they have pretty much fingerprints in everything. You got your Microsoft 365. For those of you that are gamers, you got your Xbox games and consoles. You got your Surface devices, Windows 10, and all the things that is Microsoft. I'm very bullish about this company. I think this is a great company to even invest on. So let's look at the dividends. So as you can see, based on Simply Safe Dividend, they have a dividend safety score of 19.9. Dividend yield is 0.96. Market cap is 1.7 trillion. If you look down to the key metrics, you can see dividend streak of 14 years without a reduction. Payout ratio is 32. The recession dividend is maintained during this 07 and 09. If you look at the dividend growth, you can see the last 5 years, 10%, which is fast. The last 10 years, it was 15%, which is very fast. So as you can see, if you look at the chart, beautiful upward trend. Now, if we look at the consecutive increases, 10 years of consecutive increases, uninterrupted dividend streak of 14 years without a dividend, without a reduction. So you will get paid quarterly. Now, pay attention to these monthly payments. If you do these three companies, you'll see they're all being paid differently. For this one, in case it's March, June, September, and December, you'll get an annual payout of $2.24 per share. So again, pay attention to this one. I'm going to show you how to build this portfolio and get paid monthly just by three great dividend companies. So let's take a look more at Microsoft. As you can see, at the time of this video, this is 233. Their price target is 282 with a 20% upside. So their 12-month forecast goes all the way up to 315. Average is 282 and the low is 245. Now their analysis recommendation is strong buy based on 23 of them. Now if we look at CNN Business, you can also see pretty much similar. Their high is in the 315, the low is 280, the medium is 280, and the low is 245. Now if we look at the price analysis recommendation, 30 of them recommended is a buy, 2 outperform, and 3 hold. So now if we look at some of the top institutional holdings, as you can see, these are the big time companies. You can see Vanguard Group has about 614 million shares, followed by BlackRock, which is 515 million shares, and State Street Corporation is 299 million. So you can see they've invested a whole bunch of it. Now, definitely something for you to take a look at. Pay attention to these months as I go through the other two companies. You can see they all are different months. Next on the list, Cardinal Health. Ticker symbol is CAH. This is a healthcare service and products company. They provide medical products and pharmaceuticals. As you can see from the website, you can take a look more of it if you're not sure about this company. Now let's look at the Dividend Safety score, which is a 74, which is safe, based on Simply Safe Dividend. Dividend yield is 3.67. Market cap is 15 billion. We look at the key metrics. You can see 30 years without a dividend, without a reduction. Recession dividend increase from 207 to 209. Now if we look at the dividend growth, you can see the last 5 years 6% average. Last 20 years, check this out, 18% per year, which is very fast. Again, check out that dividend, that chart going up. Now if we look at the dividend growth, 24 years of consecutive increases, 30 years without a reduction, so this is really awesome. Now if we look at the payment schedule, again, now check out the payment schedule: January, April, July, and October. So the annual payout is $1.94. Let's take a look at more of Cardinal Health. So based on the time of this video, it's $52. Price target is 64 with a 21% upside. 12-month forecast is in the high of 72, the average of 64, and the low of 58. Their analysis recommend is a moderate buy based on 2 buys and 2 holds. Now if we look at CNN business, pretty similar. The high is 72, the medium 62, and the low is 57, with a analysis recommendations of 5 buy, 2 outperform, and 12 hold. Now if we look at the top institutional holdings, pretty similar to the Microsoft, you got Vanguard 35 million, BlackRock at 24, State Street Corporation at 18, then you got T. Rowe Price at 9 million, Bank of New York Mellon at 5 million. You can see pretty good amount of companies holding this stock. Last on the list, Aapl, ticker symbol AAPL. They basically don't need introduction. It designs, manufactures, and sale of smartphones, computers, tablets, and wearables. Now let's take a look at the Dividend Safety from Simple Safe Dividend. They have a Dividend Safety score of 99 with a dividend yield of 0.66. Check out this market cap. Market cap is 2.15 trillion. Now if we look at the key metrics, you can see dividend streak is only 8 years without a reduction. Payout ratio is 22. If we look at the dividend growth, the last 5 years, it was up 10%. So you can see it's starting to go higher. Dividend growth streaks of 8 years, uninterrupted for 8 years. So now if we look at the frequency, you can see you will get paid February, May, August, and November with the annual payout of $82. So now let's take a look at tip ranks. Tip ranks at the time of this video is 125 with a price target of 150, 20% upside. Now for 12-month forecast, you can see a high of 175, an average of 150, and a low of 80. Now look at the analysis recommendations. They recommended it as a buy, 19 buy, 5 holds. I don't know why you would have a sell in there. I think Apple is just one of those companies that you just hold forever. Now you take a look at CNN Business, pretty similar. A high of 175, a medium 159, a low of 83. Now if we look at the analysis recommendations, 24 buy, 5 outperform, 10 holds, 1 underperform, and 2 sell. Wow. Now let's take a look at the top institutional holdings. Again, look at that. My 2 favorite ones, Vanguard and BlackRock, are all this one, but this one is like, wow, look at that. And then you got Berkshire Hathaway at 887 million. So and then you got your same thing, State Street Corporation, 638 million. So these are for amazing. So definitely something to hold. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. As always, please remember to do your own research, do your own due diligence. Always remember to be safe out there, stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. All right, take care and aloha.